Okay, so we have our first scene, and we have our character at the bottom of that screen. So let's see what happens next. Okay, let me see. Where did he actually go? Let me pause it for just a second. Okay, so there it is. Alright. Select current. Okay, good. Good. New window pops up showing a black screen with a gray rectangle sitting in the bottom. It doesn't move yet. We haven't written the movement script, but you're now already running your first Godot game. Holy shit. Close the game window X in the corner or alternate F4. Okay. Where we are and what we have next. You now have a properly configured landscape mobile Godot project, organized folder structure ready for all your assets, a main scene with a player node that has his collision and visible rectangle, player position at the bottom of the screen, game runs and displays. Next step will be attach a script to the player node that makes it move left and right with arrow keys. That's your first taste of GDS script. That is about 12 lines total. Take a screenshot of what you're seeing if anything looks off, otherwise apply done and ready for movement. Okay, so one of the most important aspects of any game is going to be control. And for this one, I actually, if there's any way to do it, if there's any way we could possibly do it, I need it to be controlled by a mouse or by a finger. So let me ask it that, and I'm going to ask it on a higher level than extra. I'm going to go max. Okay, we've done all this. Step 8 is completely done, and we're making awesome progress, but one of the most important elements of this game is I want to be able to control the character with a mouse or with a finger. Is there any way we can do that instead of having it go left and right with a arrow key? Please, there has to be a way. Thank you very much. Let's see what it says. But we're making awesome progress. Okay, all lock decisions noted. Yes, absolutely there's a way to do this. In fact, a mobile game like Falling Frenzy Blitz, touch mouse control isn't just possible, it's the correct approach. Yes. Arrow keys were just for prototyping on your PC. Real players will never touch a keyboard. Great news. Godot handles mouse and touch inputs identically. Thank the Lord. Same code that responds to your mouse on desktop will respond to a finger on Android. Praise the Lord. You write it once, it works everywhere. Boom. For a catching game like yours, the industry standard control feel is the player character follows your finger or mouse position horizontally. Absolutely. Wherever your finger is on the screen, the farmer slides to that X position smoothly. No buttons, no joystick, just direct position tracking. Absolutely. Just like Fruit Ninja, Doodle Jump, Paddle, every mobile catching game feels instant and responsive. Praise the Lord. Let's write the movement script. Time for your first GD script. Here's what we're doing. Attach a script to the player node. Write 15 lines that make the player follow the mouse, touch horizontally, test it. Okay. Step 1. Attach a script to player. In the scene panel, top left, click on player. Okay. And choose attach script. Okay, so maybe I have to right click, right? Attach script. Yep. Good. Dialog pops up. The defaults are mostly fine, but check these. Template should say object empty. Okay. Template should say object empty, but it doesn't. It says some other things. Path, change this to scripts. Okay. Template object empty. Good, that's done. Okay, path, change this to click the folder icon and navigate to your scripts folder. Okay, path, folder, okay, scenes, okay, okay, where is scripts? Okay. Scripts, go up. Scripts. Good. Okay. Scripts folder. Type player GD. Okay. And then good. And then good. Click create. Okay. Now, scripts editor at the top of the screen, script tab is now active. Okay. Yeah. You'll see a nearly empty file with just extends character body 2D at the top. Yep. Replace the entire contents with this. Okay. Good. So I'm just going to select it by hitting copy right here. Then I'm going to go back into Godot right here. I'm going to delete this. Okay. And then I'm going to paste it here. Boom. Okay. Okay. Control S. Save. Good. Step 3. Play it. Press F5. I tried pressing F5. Let's press this. Oh, wow! Oh my god! It works! That is nuts! Wow, I programmed that. I can't believe that. Whew! The game works. I'm a little bit in shock right now. Okay. Well, we tested it and it freaking works. Okay. Yeah. Okay, understanding what the script looks like. Okay. Process delta runs, okay, so the 60 frames per second. That's your update loop. Good. Returns wherever the mouse, okay. So that's, okay. Tuning the feel. The one number that controls how the game feels is follow speed at the top of the script, currently at 15. Try changing it. Follow speed, yeah. Let's try changing it. Let's set it higher because that way we'll have higher control. Okay. And let's save it. And let's play it. Oh, yeah. Oh. Even better, even better. Wow. 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 I'm in shock. That was incredible. Incredible progress.